A BHAG is so far in the future, whether it be 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, that nobody on the team, nobody in your family, not me, not Coach Natalia, we can't question whether you're capable of doing that or not. If Chad tells me he wants to build a $100 million company, I can't, and it's going to happen in the next 10 years. Awesome. I'm not going to argue that because I know it's possible for him if that's what he wants. But if you say that you're going to build, Matt, if you say I'm going to go from whatever revenue I'm at right now and we're going to do 4 million next year, I just can't believe it. It's too unbelievable. I can't even get excited about that because you're just setting yourself up to be disappointed. Now that's up to you. You could prove me wrong. But if you set it far enough into the future, then I can't. That's what a BHAG is.